In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete repository on GitHub. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Click on the search bar and type in github.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of GitHub. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the dashboard interface. Now, if you look at the left, you'll be able to see your repositories over here. What you have to do is click on the repository that you would like to delete. Keep in mind, in order to delete the repository, you need to be the admin of that particular repository. Now, what you have to do is simply look at top. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is click on this option, settings. Now, after you do that, you'll be able to access the settings. Make sure general is selected over here. Now, over here, what you have to do is simply scroll down to the bottom. At bottom, you'll be able to find this option for danger zone. At last, you'll be able to find this option for delete this repository. What you have to do is click on this option, delete this repository that you can see on the screen. Now, this kind of pop-up will appear. Click on this option, I want to delete this repository. Now, after you do that, you'll be able to see the information regarding the deletion over here. If you delete the repository, basically all of your data will be deleted. Click on this option, I have read and understand these effects. Now, in order to confirm the deletion, you can see over here, you'll have to type in this text. So simply click on this field and type it over here. Now, once you do that, click on this option, delete this repository. Now, wait for a while. Now, you can see over here, your repository was successfully deleted. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you delete repository on GitHub. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.